Take out the device and all accessories. Take out the two cylinders, unscrew the cover at one hand. Install the cylinder on the device, then install the rack. Tighten the cover to fix the rack. Install filter. Please note, install the filter in the right direction to avoid reversely or improperly installed. Install 40K collecting wire. Install vacuum RF collecting wire. Install IRF connecting wire. Install facial RF connecting wire. Install body RF connecting wire. Install bio collecting wire. Place the installed props on the rack in turn. Install power cable. Turn on the device after ensuring all accessories are installed. Welcome interface will show after the device is on. Then function section interface. Select body RF. Work time 0 to 60 minutes. 20 minutes is suggested for each part. Energy range 0 to 100%. 20% to 80% is suggested. RF mode selection. There are normal and pro modes. Pro mode is suggested for beginners. Normal is fixed mode. When click on, the probe reaches the set energy. The red LED lights up, suitable for deep firming and anti-wrinkles. Pro is smart mode. When click on, the probe slowly releases the energy to set energy after touching the skin. The red LED lights up after touching the skin, suitable for fine line removal and beginners. Click to start. Apply RF gel and RF cream on the treatment area before operation. Avoid operating on dry skin. Undo button. Home button. Select 40K. It is suggested to set the working time to 20 minutes, energy to 20 to 70%. Mode selection. Select Mode 2 for beginners. Mode 1 is constant mode, suitable for those with thick fat, excess fat, or want to lose weight. Mode 2 is intermittent mode, suitable for improving body shape or some parts with excess fat. Select parameters and click to start. Apply gel for ultrasound operation evenly before the treatment. Please note, while operation, make sure the customer carries no metal or jewelry. No treatment for those with metal implanted. Do not treat near the heart or bones. Undo button, Home button. Select Vacuum RF. It is suggested to set the working time to 20 minutes, energy to 20 to 80%. RF selection. There are normal and pro modes like body RF. Pro is suggested for beginners. Manually select vacuum probe suction and release time. Vacuum suction time range 0 to 2.0, 0.3 to 1.5 is suggested. It is the suction time. The bigger the time value, the longer the suction time. Vacuum release time range 0 to 2.0, 0 to 0.8 is suggested. It is the release time. The bigger the time value, the longer the release time. When the release is 0, it is the direct suction mode. Fixed mode selection. Adjust suction and release time subjecting to one's comfort level. The fixed mode can also be used. There are 5 modes. Mode 2 is suggested for beginners. Select Mode 1, the direct suction mode, suitable for dredging dampness, detoxificating, scraping, body shaping, etc. Select Mode 2, the intermittent mode, suitable for massaging and relaxing. Select Mode 3 for muscles relaxing. Select Mode 4 for detoxification. Select Mode 5 for dredging. Click to start. Apply essential oil evenly before operation. Avoid thick cream to cause blockage. Adjust suction subjecting to one's comfort level at any time while operation. Rotate anti-clockwise to decrease the suction, clockwise to increase it. Select IRF. It is suggested to set the working time to 15 minutes, energy to 20 to 80%. RF selection. There are normal and pro modes like body RF. Pro is suggested for beginners. Click to start. Ensure to apply RF gel or eye essence evenly before operation. Undo button. Select Facial RF. It is suggested to set the working time to 20 minutes, energy to 20 to 80%. RF selection. There are normal and pro modes like IRF. Pro is suggested for beginners. Click to start. Ensure to apply RF gel or facial essence evenly before operation. Select Bio. It is suggested to set the working time to 15 minutes, energy to 10 to 70%. Click to start. Ensure to apply facial essence before operation.